Okay, today I'll be unwrapping my new Rain Wi-Fi router. It's supposed to be unlimited, uncapped, unshaped, and all the ants you can think of. So here it is. Just arrived from a courier just now. Just collected it, guys. Wi-Fi wheel. Let have it. Yeah. Let have it. Let have a Wi-Fi.
YouTube TV.
YouTube TV. Okay, I really. Okay, we're going to shoot my camera and shoot. I'm ripping it. One careful. It's always nice to unwrap something.
Yeah.
This knife is very sharp, no?
Yeah.
So there is a box inside the box. So here's the first box done.
If you find
Second
that.
box. This box looks like that of a phone. Can you see?
Yeah. If you find
Looks so
another box
big
in
and
another
nice.
box.
Maybe if you can find another box in another box and in another box, and at the end of the day you find a very little box, and it's called our Wi-Fi, and it still works. But let's see. It looks like we have to pull this. Oh, this must be a SIM card in here, I guess. This is a SIM card in its little envelope. Okay, we'll see that later. Now let's find the device. How do we open this? Now opening instructions, but let's just figure it out. I think they just adopted a normal phone, a normal phone wrapping.
Let me try.
Hmm?
Let me try.
Want to try?
This is something.
Okay, you want to try? Try, let's see. Oh, clever. Hey, no. Thanks to the good schools. Because as for us, we think like old people. Oh, okay, so now it will open. Eh? Nice. I think continue shaking it. Yeah. Continue shaking it. Makato, are you happy? Are you excited? Are you excited? Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay. Then here it is. Here is the device. Let's see what it looks like. Makata, open this. Says it take this out. This must be a charger, I guess. Take it out. I think pull here. Easy. Okay, so this is what the box looks like inside. It's very nice. Okay, so now Makata is opening the device. Says he's opening the charger. I can't wait to connect. Okay, remove the chargers. Remove all the cables. I think open the other side as well. Open here. Open it. Open it. Yo, don't fight. Just open it. Okay. So is this the rain device? So it is raining like this. Okay, mukhaita kana na re shabar sa ibila gere. Ifelle just re set up. Agere. Re set up. I'm sure there'll be a manual somewhere, but otherwise here is the device. Rain Wi-Fi device. So I'm going to connect it and then let you know of the performance later on if I like the performance and how it goes. Otherwise, it was made by Ado. Is it Odo? Odo. I think these guys are pacemakers in mobile devices. They've entered the market and they're doing very well. So they made a very nice device here. So thank you guys. See you later when you're using our device. I'll also give you feedback from my kids. Cheers.